In Section 2, we will have a deep dive in AWS. In this video, we will deep dive into several fundamental AWS services, including IAM, S3, EC2, Virtual Private Cloud, and databases. In the IAM video, we will go through IAM key entities, including user and group, IAM roles, and policies. We will work on several hands-on demos and learn how we can use IAM to manage permissions. In the S3 video, we will cover bucket and object basics, access control, storage classes, S3 versioning, lifecycle, and replication. In the EC2 video, we will learn how to create an instance and access it, control instance network access by security group, explain difference between each instance types, AMI images, EBS volume, auto-scaling, etc. In the VPC video, we will learn important concepts such as CIDR blocks, subnet and availability zones, network ACL, NAT gateway, and VPC peering. In the databases section, we will introduce AWS Aurora database and why it is more favorable than MySQL or PostgreSQL. We will also cover DynamoDB and why it is such a great option for NoSQL storage. Okay, with this, we completed this video.